Hello and welcome to Blue Garden Cottage. Lovely to have you along with us. It's great to be with you again, feeling a lot better than we were 2 weeks ago. Still not 100%, but much better and getting there. So what I wanted to share with you today, as I said in the last video, I couldn't remember whether it was homemaking or craft week this week for the videos, but it turned out it is homemaking. I checked, but it is also crafting. So I'll show you that as well, what I've been doing. Not crafting as in the wooden crafts, although there is wood involved. I know I'm making no sense. I'll show you, just give me a moment and I'll show you what we've been doing. That is what we've been doing. Hubby made me a loom end of January, beginning of February. In fact, it was the day he completed it that he got ill as well. So there you go, there's the loom, and I have already put on the warp and I'm making a rag rug. Okay, so I know I definitely do not have enough fabric to do 4 of those rugs. It takes a huge amount of fabric, and it's a great way to use up old fabrics. You don't want old sheets or shirts, duvet covers that have got holes in them or slits or torn. It's a great way to use up old fabric. So I have already actually put out on my Facebook page, my local connections, to ask anybody if they have any old unwanted sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, anything, shirts of the cotton type fabrics that they no longer want, of all the blue shades, greys, creams, all of those. I don't want white because going on the floor, and in this house, white anywhere but the walls, it doesn't stay white for long. So yeah, all the blues, greys, whatever, whether they have patterns or not. In fact, patterns would be nice too. So I've asked my local connections if anybody has any of that, because there's no charity shops open, so I can't exactly pop in the charity shops and find fabrics of curtains or any of that type, because they're just not open yet with lockdown. So that's what we're doing. I even had visions of cutting up these curtains, but I don't have anything to replace them with at the minute. I'm looking for anything I can chop up. That's so crazy. Anyway, that's what we've been doing as far as homemaking. I'm making rugs with the make, do and mend principle, zero waste, asking help from connections if anybody has anything they don't want. That way, preventing stuff from ending up in the bin or landfill, and trying to in some way organize and beautify our home with handmade, homemade stuff. And it's a frugal solution too. It's a win-win in all directions. So yeah, and it's a new experience, something you're just trying new. I love learning new things. So yeah, have a go. It's you know, there's always a solution. For every problem there is a solution. That is a permaculture principle. And use what you have. Ask for help from who you know, and have a go. And I'll show you how we get on as I have a go. I might even get hubby to try and have a go. Maybe. But that is the principle. Have a go. You can find so many instruction videos on YouTube. It's ridiculous. So that is basically how we learn to do most things. But as far as these practical things go, we've learned obviously many things over our lifetime from other people, from family, from experience. But it's since we discovered YouTube a few years ago, well, about 10 years ago now, that we've actually been able to learn a great deal more. It's opened up so many more avenues, so we've learned so much more. And I really love that people share what they do, and that's what we're trying to do, to share what we do but I don't feel confident enough to give you instructions because there's so many people that already do. And I only let you know when there's something I do that I've adapted it for our use. So not all instructions I follow 100%. Some I adapt or change to suit our purposes or our needs or what we have available. So when I have figured things out, when I've done this one and I get it right, then I'll do an instruction video. But I don't want to do a complete instruction video because, of course, I learned this from somebody else. So I will recognize that and acknowledge them in the description box below, and then I'll show you how I do it next time. Right, folks, whatever you're doing today, whatever you want to have a go at, have a go, have a good day, and I will speak to you again next week. It's been lovely to catch up with you, not feeling so bad as I did last time, and hopefully soon I'll be feeling 100% again. All right, people, take care, stay safe, have a good day.